Bonjour mon amour. Why do they insist on doing that to you? You look like you're at your own funeral. Hey, let's see what's funny today. Why do chicken coops have 2 doors? Give up? Because if they had 4 doors, they'd be chicken sedans. You're right. That's not very funny.
How are you feeling today? Are you any better? It's a beautiful sunny day out there. Have you been outside at all? A little walk or... Palila, I'm gonna leave these with you. I want you to look them over, and I want you to consider signing them. Just consider them.
I've got something new today. Ta-da! Come along, my dear. You will not find good cheer if you're sitting all alone so quietly. Come down and taste some wine. Let's drink a toast to life, because we're not here for long, you see. Hit it, boys.
Just hold my hand, my dear, and you could find good cheer. But don't you sit alone out there so quietly. Come down and taste some wine. Let's drink a toast to life, because we're not here for long, you see. The piano's not in tune, the singer's off key too, but the company is good, you must agree. Let's hold each other tight and dance into the night, and any troubles will be memories. You work and you suffer for $1. You struggle for that dollar you can save. But do not work yourself to death, my friend, you must enjoy. You cannot spend your money in your grave. Look, there's the cabaret where closing time is late, and the music warms your soul, you must agree. Put up your feet, my friend, let's fill your glass again, 'cause life is too short, you see. Wake up! It's Come on. Smile at me. Better than that. Laugh. Sing. Wake up.
Don't worry, baby. We'll try something else tomorrow.